Why are GMOs a public concern in agriculture? Imagine planting a seed that could grow into a crop resistant to pests, but some people worry about what that means for everyone. That's the core of why genetically modified organisms in farming often stir up questions. Many folks are concerned about whether GMO foods are safe to eat. Even though scientists in many countries say approved GMO foods are safe, skepticism remains, especially in countries like Russia, Italy, India, and South Korea. People there often believe GMOs could be harmful, and that concern influences how they view genetically modified crops. Environmental worries also play a big role. Critics fear that GMO plants might accidentally crossbreed with wild plants, creating new weeds or harming beneficial insects. For example, some worry that herbicide-resistant crops could lead to weeds that are even harder to control. But research shows that certain GMO crops like Bt cotton and insect-resistant may have actually helped reduce pesticide use. In India, farmers planting Bt cotton saw pesticide use drop by about 60%, which also meant fewer poisonings and healthier farmland. Regulatory rules add to public concern because they vary a lot from country to country. The United States tends to be more open to GMO farming, while the European Union has stricter rules and often bans GMO cultivation. This inconsistency can make people unsure about what is safe or allowed, and that uncertainty impacts land investments. Farmers and investors worry about future rules changing, which could make growing GMO crops more expensive or even impossible in some areas. When it comes to farmland investment and real estate, these worries matter. Regions with strong anti-GMO feelings might restrict or ban GMO crops, which affects what farmers can grow and how much land is worth. Investors also think about the risk of new regulations that could limit GMO use, possibly lowering from income or land value. On the positive side, GMO crops that reduce pesticide use and boost yields can make farms more profitable and land more attractive, but only if public opinion and laws support their use. Trade is another factor. Some countries import GMO products but do not allow local farmers to grow them. This creates a tricky situation for landowners who want to sell crops internationally. They must consider whether their crops will be accepted in export markets or face restrictions. So, the main reasons GMOs are a public concern are safety worries, environmental fears, and inconsistent policies. These issues shape how people see GMOs and influence laws and market trends. For farmland investors, understanding these concerns helps in making smarter choices about where and what to grow. It's all about balancing safety, environmental health, and market opportunities to keep agriculture sustainable and profitable.